ready to ditch the wallet and pay with a flick of your wrist. Today, we're going to show you just how easy it is to add Apple Pay to your Apple Watch, turning it into your personal payment powerhouse. First, grab your iPhone and locate the Apple Watch app. It's the app with the small Apple Watch icon. Go ahead and tap it to open it up. Once the Apple Watch app is open, make sure you're on the My Watch tab. You'll usually find this at the bottom left corner of your screen. Scroll down the My Watch screen until you see the Wallet and Apple Pay option. Tap on it to proceed. On the Wallet and Apple Pay screen, you'll see a button that says Add Card. Tap on this button. Now you have a couple of options. You can choose to add a new credit or debit card, or if you already have a card saved to your Apple ID, you can select to add that one. For this example, we'll assume you're adding a new card. So go ahead and select Add a New Card. Your iPhone camera will now activate, prompting you to scan your credit or debit card. Position your card within the frame on your screen. The iPhone will automatically scan and read your card details. If the automatic scanning doesn't work, don't worry. You can manually enter your card details by tapping the Enter Card Details Manually option. Once the card details are entered either automatically or manually, you'll be prompted to enter the CVV code from the back of your card. Type it in the provided field and tap Next. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions of the card issuer. Read through them carefully, and then tap Agree. Your card will now be activated, and you might need to verify it with your bank or card issuer through a text message, email, or phone call. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. And that's it. Once the verification is complete, your card will be successfully added to your Apple Watch. You can now make contactless payments simply by double-clicking the side button on your Apple Watch and holding it near the payment terminal. Enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay right from your wrist.